Hey mate. So yeah, Sol, sorry for the late reply. Things have been so busy today. Things are hectic, markets moving, lots of profits to be made. Now I'm in Sol already. It's been disappointing, but I do expect Sol to go lower at some point. But this is great news. I don't think the ultimate low is in for Sol, but I am buying, or I have bought in the group a couple of weeks ago, whenever, I forget now. But this is great news. I mean, Sol gets criticized a lot, but I think it'll be okay eventually. It's just not performing very well yet. I think Sol is coming down. My target for Sol is $16 to $22. So $16 to $22. I will add there. Now I bought here, I don't know, maybe a bit here and a bit here. So I just wanted some exposure in case Sol actually runs up here and then goes lower again. But unfortunately, Sol has been very poor. It's been very weak, and it looks like it may roll down. It may roll away. It's tough to say though, because if the market continues to be bullish in the near term, there is still a chance that this moves up here, right? There is still a chance, but I'm just saying that for longer term, I'm going to be buying more down here. $16 to $22 is my target. It has been my target for a long way away. I think we were up here somewhere. I don't know where we were, but a long time ago. If you check the watch list and the accumulation long-term channel, you'll probably see where I was talking about it a few times. But I did buy in here, right? So the news is good. The problem is there is no reaction to the news, right? That's a telling factor. The fact that yesterday that news came out, I seen that news yesterday, and what happened? We had a red day. We had a red day on news of Facebook and Instagram getting launched onto the Solana or whatever they're selling, NFTs or whatever it is, and the Solana didn't respond. I mean, that's a poor sign. That's not a good sign. So yeah, for me, it's probably good to be careful on it. I think that maybe you may need to trade a new 2-week candle. There's a possibility tomorrow it can go up. Large caps could start moving tomorrow a little bit, but as you can see here, it hasn't done much. Maybe in 3 days time, a new 2-week candle can get that pump, right, and move back up into this sort of area here, the neckline of this, and kind of fill this large candle here, because there's you know, if you look at this, there's a slightly bullish pattern here. People that can be bearish, but the fact that we broke down and failed and now coming back up, there is a chance that this breaks back up, but it hasn't found that strength yet. So I see you've posted here, you know, can someone tell you when the pump and you just deleted it right there now, actually, but anyway, so we do have it's too hard to tell you in this one video. I mean, we've got a professional trading section here that teaches all of the strategies, you know, for our VIP members. You know, we've got, this is a watch first. You got to watch this video first, and it'll give you a good baseline of a very good strategy on how to read the market. And then from there, how to buy like a pro, how to sell like a pro, moving averages, RSI, breakout volume, short, resistance, support buys, apexes, blueprint for success patterns, trade the open, what large burns and all do, bull flags, stop hunts. You know, it goes on and on and on. I'm not going to read them all out, but you can see that there's a lot. These are all different strategies and that we teach. I've been trading for 15 years, more than 15 years now, time's flying, and you know, I try to teach members all of what I've learned in the market over 15 years and give them my knowledge that I've learned from thousands of courses and also from hundreds of thousands of hours watching the market. So it's okay, you deleted that. That's no problem. But I just seen that actually, and I was just I thought I would tell you, because education is the key. If you want to be successful in this market, education really is the key. You said you're a beginner there, and I honestly, and if it's not an OR group, you know, I advise you to get some education. I'm not here trying to sell you anything. If you want to join, you're welcome to join. But whatever you do, I think you should get education somewhere and be in a group with like-minded people, because trading takes a long time to master, and if you have people you're surrounded by, you learn it a lot quicker, and it speeds up that process. Now on top of that, you want to be getting prepared for the bull market. The bull market is when you can make life-changing money, and we will be making life-changing money in that market. So it is coming. The bull market's coming. I'm not saying it's here yet, but you want to be ready and be trading this up. And we are already coming back down. Yes, I think there might be another one leg lower. I don't mean zero, but I think this could go a bit lower. But then we base, and then we come back up. This base here is when you want to be studying to make as much money as possible when this comes back up. But anyway, mate, welcome to the group, and if you have any questions, just let me know.